College debt is the new inheritance unless you break the cycle. You worked hard to climb out of debt. Now you're trying to make sure your kids don't start their adult life in the exact same hole. This step is about giving your kids options without wrecking your retirement or your peace of mind. I'm Vladimir Nemchinov from InvestSteady.com, and today I'll show you how to start saving for your children's education, the smart way. And if you want help getting started, fill out the InvestSteady Client Assessment Form. We'll help you build a custom plan that doesn't drain your wallet or your sanity. College costs have gone from A, manageable, to why does this cost more than my house? Tuition, books, housing, it's insane. And if you're like most working class parents, you want to help, but you also want to retire. You don't want your kid drowning in loans, but you're still digging out yourself. You've got guilt for not saving sooner, but no clue where to start now. Sound familiar? The emotional side of this is brutal. You feel like a bad parent for not having money set aside. You wonder if your kids will blame you later. And every year that goes by, college gets even more expensive. Let me be clear, you're not behind. You're starting now, and that's what matters. Drop a comment. What's your biggest fear about paying for your kids' education? Let's simplify this. Here's what actually works. Start with the right account. You've got two main options, ESA, Coverdell Education Savings Account. Contribute up to $2,000 a year per child, grows tax-free if used for education. Covers K-12 and college expenses. Lots of investment flexibility, but income limits apply. Perfect for families with younger kids and decent income. 529. Plan higher contribution limits, can save big, grows tax-free for qualified college expenses. Some states offer tax benefits. Less flexible, but simpler for college-focused saving. Best for high earners or those late to the game. How much should you save? That depends on how old your kids are, what type of school you're aiming for, your budget. Don't try to cover everything. Even saving a few thousand can reduce their need for loans a lot. Automate it, pick a number, $50, $100, $250 a month, and set it on autopilot. Birthday money, tax refunds, windfalls, chunk it into that account. You're building a runway, not trying to pay for a private jet. Want help picking the right account? InvestSteady Client Assessment Form. Let's dodge some common mistakes. I'll just save in my name and figure it out later. Nope, you lose tax benefits and could get penalized. Use an ESA or 529 to stay legal and strategic. I'll pay for college before retirement. Huge mistake. There are loans for college but not for retirement. Help your kids by showing them how to be responsible, not by bankrupting yourself. It's too late to start. Even if your kid's 16, you can still save a few thousand and reduce loan burdens. It's not about perfect, it's about better. I'll just use my 401k or house. Don't raid your future for theirs. There's a smarter way, and you're learning it now. Comment below. Are you leaning toward an ESA or a 529? Let's talk strategy. Chapter 4, the path forward. Let's fast forward. You stay consistent. You fund that ESA or 529 monthly. You teach your kids what you're doing and why. Years go by, and now your kid is heading to college. Instead of panic, you've got peace. You're not scrambling. You're not taking out loans. And maybe most important of all, your kid sees that you planned for them. That's powerful. And even if you only covered part of the bill, you gave them a better launch pad than most. It's not about paying for everything. It's about being intentional. You're building legacy here. You don't have to be rich to save for your kids' education. You just have to start. Go to InvestSteady Client Assessment Form. We'll help you figure out which account is right, how much to save, and how to keep your retirement on track while still helping your kids. Don't let guilt keep you stuck. Let's build a smarter future for you and your family.